got a question for you. Who's on their very first Disney cruise? Come on, let me see those hands.
Anybody sailed with us before? Let's see my Castaway Club members. That's what I'm talking about.
Well, if this is your first or 50th cruise, you can expect
Amazing adventures, magical memories, and tons of fun.
Right, it's time to take your vacation to high gear with all of your Disney friends.
Hey, think about it. Let's bring some tequila and go sailing away.
Set sail for a sea of wonder. Take the cruise on a sea of dreams. Start a course for a sea of adventure, where everything's more than it seems. The sun will shine brightly above us. The wind will blow through our hair. On our way to the grand celebration, by the way, and you are there. We are sailing away on a wondrous journey. Beginning today, it's so exciting. The seas inclining us on to sailing away.
Alright, I think it's time to bring out some of your favorite Disney friends. Here's a little lady with a big itinerary. Maybe you know.
And here's a couple of crazy guys who also have some fun. It's Chip and Dale.
Here's a little lady with a real flair for fashion. Daisy Duck.
We could never forget about you, Dono.
Don't forget about us either.
It's Goofy and Pluto.
What up, Doug? And last but certainly not least, Mickey Mouse.
Come on, everybody. Let's sail away.
We are sailing away.
Let's
On
go.
a wondrous journey beginning today. It's already shining. The sea is inclining us on to sailing away.
I'm ready, gang.
If you think that was great, get ready to have some real fun.
And we're talking to all you kids out there, big and small. Make some noise if you're ready to have some fun.
Wow, that was impressive.
Then let's kick it and show them how it's done.
Okay, gang. Here we go.
Clap your hands. There's a party going on. Clap your hands. Now it's time for everyone. Clap your hands.
Clap your hands.
Every sound on the walls. Clap your hands. Gonna have a ball. Fun time, magic time, playing unity. Minnie's here and Minnie's here. Come on, clap your hands. All your friends are back again, just to be with you. So come on down and gather round. Come on, clap your hands. Ocean is love. Ocean is love. For the one day, it's a party unity. Everybody, from 3 to 93, put your hands together. Come on, everybody, clap your hands. There's a party going on. Clap your hands. Now the fun has just begun. Come on, clap your hands. Make a sound. Clap your hands. All right, spread the fun around. Clap, clap, clap your hands.
Come on and clap.
Stomp your feet.
On those feet.
Hey, 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 hey,
Hey, I'm fine.
Clap your feet.
Let me see.
Clap your hands. There's a party going on. Clap your hands. Now it's time for everyone. Clap your hands. Put down on the wall. Clap your hands. All right, gonna have a ball. Clap your hands.
You guys were great.
And the fun has just begun. Yes, Minnie.
I've been reviewing my itinerary, and I think it's time to see what's fun inside. I
ready to find exotic places filled with adventure and romance.
Aw.
Oh, Tinkerbell, let's spread some pixie dust all over the island.
You heard Minnie. Let's make your Disney dream come true. Island style.
On a dream cruise, we're all together.
That's right.
Under bright and sunny weather. Flashing in the sun, our adventure just begun. There's so much more in store, waiting on the shore.
Up and lighting and inviting. Port adventures are so exciting. They are. Let the energy you feel spin around you like a wheel. To the spirit of the moment, nothing else to be so real.
Helping guide you, make your worries far away. Overtake with friends beside you. It will really make your day. What adventures go on through big and small. Tell us, Benny, oh, Benny. On the ship or on the shore, it's everything we want and more. Everybody conga, conga.
Come on, everybody. That's right.
Everybody conga, conga.
That's awesome.
Everybody conga, conga.
Oh, this is fun.
Everybody conga, conga.
It's so funny.
Minnie, oh, Minnie. All the adventures small, for all Christmas big and small. Tell us, Minnie, oh, Minnie. On the ship or on the shore, it's everything we want and more. Minnie.
See you enjoy.
Who let the dog out?
It's our favorite party animals, Pluto and Goofy. All right, everybody, it's time to get into the action and get your party groove on. Come on, everyone, let's dance.
Stay in line, stay in line. Stay in line, stay in line. Stay in line, stay in line. This is fun.
Okay, Goofy, I think it's time to switch things up with a new dance. That's right, it's time to shake your tail feathers like Donald and Daisy Dance.
Oh my!
Now that's what I call rocking the boat. I think you mean ship. That's right. So as you can see, the